Hello dear students, welcome again with the second part of physics assignment. I actually very sorry to say that in couple of days, many of days before I gave you the first part A and B number solution of the physics assignment, but suddenly I feel sick, so I cannot manage myself to do the second part of the physics assignment, and number C is only the left topics of the physics assignment. Today we will go through the solution to know about the physics assignment second part solution. Thank you for connecting and having the patience to me. Some of the students have written on there, sir, why you didn't submit or why you didn't give us the second part of the physics assignment, only the first part. Thank you, dear. This will make me remembered and I'm feeling well nowadays. So we will go through the third one. That means the C number question. According to the question, it is asking for that when we will take the spoon in front of us, in case of the concave part, we already gave the explanation in the first part, but when the object will be in the convex part of the spoon, likely to have, we will draw on that one. Listen to have on there, just having, now it is in the convex part spoon on the mirror, if we think about them. So some of the student asked me about, sir, the magnification value in case of that the convex part or convex mirror. Many of the student have the different value. Why it is happened? It is clear to say that it can be possible for different value of the magnification, because excuse me, where you will take your object, we already know about in the very first time in the first part. This is the center of curvature. We know the center of curvature, it can be the C or O, you can write. That was given the 4 centimeter. Okay, it was the 4 centimeter. I will erase, just make you mind after sometimes, since the main focus in there, pole, from pole to center of curvature, if we draw the circle, that time it will be the 4 centimeter. But if we count in almost at the middle, if it is the main focus, so main focus value is the radius by 2 4 divided by 2. That means this distance or focal length centimeter, and this one is the 2 centimeter. When we draw the figure in case of the concave mirror part, on the time we take the object in between these two, that means C and F, center of curvature and main focus, the 3 centimeter we take. So we have that value we got on there. But since now it is in case of the convex mirror, we will take, not only now erase these values of there, since we need to draw. I just make you mind on there, try to make you out and understand here. C and F here, I don't know where I will take. If I take the pencil 1 centimeter, suppose I take the 1 centimeter, I don't know what you take. Okay, the teacher will not know about where. It is clearly instructed in the assignment. You can take places in front of the convex part, convex mirror, since it will be not inside them, since the inside outer surface in case of the convex mirror will be smooth part. So any place, suppose I take the 1 centimeter, you can take 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, where it will be taken, that way the figure will be go on there. Okay, by the way, so listen to me, what happened in there. First of all, this is the ray. Suppose this is the X and Y. We take the object position from the pole to position 1 centimeter with measuring the scale, and it will be on there. It is no matter what I say actually. In this way it will go out on there, and keep it in mind where it will be reflected in the outside. Light ray come from X and fall onto the, suppose I gave it the mirror name M prime. Okay, I take this one N, it is on your end point, but On that way you will just make sure the reflection so that the ray can come from the main focus in this way. Okay, I think it is going well and you understood this one, that where it is come to parallel with the principal axis, this is the principal axis and go back to the, suppose I take this one is the R, okay, R NR direction. It is your wish that you can digit A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L like that. Another way from X point, look at here, come to this way. Which way? We will just imaginary think about this way. Suppose this way another ray come from there, you will draw bold and fast and come back to the same direction in this way. Same thing, figure is done. And both case we have seen in there, both reflected ray, suppose it is fall onto the N prime point and go back to the R prime point in that way. Okay, no matter what we thinking about here, there will be no confusion for having that one. Okay, by the way, listen to me now. Now come another ray come from this way and go back to the same direction. Make a scale to draw that one. And if we extend up this one, it is thinking or imaginary thinking about this ray come from the center of curvature and met at that point. Both reflected ray met at that point, and we will draw another figure. Whatever we have got in case of, whatever we have got on there, in case of concave mirror, we have seen on there the inverted, that means the image position just inverted the principal axis, so it is inverted and it was big. But in case of them, it is the smaller one than the object. So what should we write? Accordingly, what I have taken, suppose in case of convex part, in case of convex part of a spoon, in case of convex part of the spoon, take the pencil at a distance from pole is 1 centimeter. I take this one. Don't think about that it is on, it would be always for 1 centimeter. No need. You can take distance from here to object position or pencil position 2 centimeter, 4 centimeter, anywhere you can take. It is not instructed that you will take 1 centimeter only. I take 1, so I will just take it 1 on there. Okay, 1 centimeter. So from X position, a ray come parallel with principal axis and fall onto the parallel to the principal axis, fall onto the end point of the mirror, or convex part of the spoon, you can write similarly, fall onto the end point of the mirror and come back to inner direction. Another ray, if we say that another ray from X position of the object, another ray X position of the object and fall onto the end prime point of the mirror, and come back come back to n prime r prime direction. So come back to the same medium. It is the reflection of light. That means reflected ray. Both reflected ray extend up to main focus and center of curvature. Or we can say imaginary line or ray come from focus and center of curvature. Sorry to say, the ink of marker is finished. I will take a new marker. Just hold a couple of seconds. Okay. Okay, I'm coming here. Okay, I think you write up on there. So, main focus and center of curvatures. That means when we extend up the both reflected ray, they are meeting with or thinking imagination. This ray come from the center of curvature, another will come from the main focus. Both reflected ray met at a point x prime. From x prime draw a perpendicular on the principal axis x prime y prime. So x prime y prime is the virtual image. Since imaginary line met normal line, in case of the concave mirror we have seen the normally it met upon there, but now we have seen there both line imaginary met at the point is the virtual image of xy. Right up completed now. So this is the explanation on there. One ray come from here to there, fall on to this direction, another ray come in there, go back to the x n prime r prime direction. Both ray when we extend up, that is imagination that one ray come from main focus and another ray come from the center of curvature. They met at the point x prime. We draw a perpendicular on the principal axis x prime y prime. So x prime y prime is the virtual image, since the imaginary line to met up in there. So x prime y prime is the virtual image of xy. Completed. So finally there is the question. In the question it is asking for, okay, it is asking for that what type of image to form on there. Okay, what type of image? Okay, position of the image. Then after you will write. I think you understood this one. Okay, then after you will write on there. position of image. After then, position of image. Position of image, that is in between the pole and main focus. In between, oh, there is no space written. Okay, in between the pole and main focus. Pole and main focus. Position of the image. Second part is the nature of the image. Nature of image, that is asking for in the assignment. Nature of image, it will be the virtual and erect. Virtual and erect. Virtual and erect. And size of the image. Size of the image. Size is small or smaller than object. Smaller than object. Question, already we have near about to completed this one. Finally asking for magnification, and many of the student did the mistake. This one very mistake, many of them. Okay, listen, clear and clear view. Always to say that since it is a convex mirror, concave, listen, concave mirror and convex lens, it would be the positive focal length. Convex mirror and concave lens, it would be the negative focal length. We would be taken likely that way. Since I have taken, now we will find out the magnification in this case. Magnification. So what is the magnification? We can find out. Since I take the object distance, whatever you have taken, that would be better. I take 1 centimeter, you can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 centimeter object distance, focal length. Already we know about focal length. F equal to R by 2 equal to 4 by 2. That means 2. But focal length would be negative since it is the convex mirror. So focal length would be negative value. So how can we needed to go through on there? And we know about then the image distance. How can we find out on there? 1 by u plus 1 by v equal to 1 by f. It would be minus. Okay, this is the minus. Since I told you convex mirror, in case of the convex mirror, it would be the negative value. So it is the 1 plus 1 by v equal to 1 by minus 2. That means half. Or 1 by v equal to minus 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1. This is, we got it in there. Okay, it is seen from there in the video, the last line. Yes, that is the last ending part. Okay, after then I will write in there. You write below. So 1 by v equal to whatever we have got, 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2. Why and how we got plus 1? We already send it in there. Okay, then after 1 by v equal to minus 3 by 2, or cross multiplication, 3v equal to 2, that means v equal to minus 2 by 3, 0.66 minus 0.6 centimeter. It is asking for me here. Since I take the 1, if I take the 2, 3, 4, it would be likely that way. So v equal to minus 0.66 centimeter. Sir, someone give the solution 1.33, someone give the solution. Which one is the magnification is correct in this case? Don't have any panic. I told you we take 1 centimeter. Someone can take 3 centimeter, or likely that way. Okay, magnification, the image size and object size, with that way the magnification can find out, and the distance of image and distance of object can find out on that way. Since it is 1, this one is the 0.66 centimeter image distance. And why it is minus? Because inside of the concave part of the convex mirror it is formed, so that no need to have panic about that one. Minus 66 centimeter. Okay, now we will find out the magnification. You will write below one after one. Then magnification formula, we know about the magnification equal to minus V by U. Magnification equal to minus V by U. Sir, why minus V by U in there? It can be likely that way, or in that way summation or sum up on there. Why minus? Because it is the convex mirror. Convex mirror, it is the minus. So minus V is the minus 6.66 divided by U is 1. So what we got in there? Plus value 0.66. Image distance magnification will be 0.66 or likely that way. Anything you can take, and in this way you can easily find out the magnification and detailed study about to know the second part of the assignment, the C number. Someone give the solution, 2 description. I don't know why they gave the 2 description on there. It is just for having when it will be in the convex part, what type of image, and find out the magnification. If it is the concave part, what type of image, and find out the magnification. This is asking for. Why it is needed to 2 and 2 figure and explanation, make it the complex, I don't know. But I think you understand in which way to find out the magnification in case of the convex part. Anything, any object pencil we draw on there, and make sure to finding this one in this way. I hope so all of you understood the assignment. Take care everyone. That's all about today. Allah Hafiz.